everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to half swipe on Snapchat. The half swipe feature on Snapchat lets you peek at a chat without it marking as read. So in order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Snapchat application from your app drawer and sign into your account if necessary. From your camera screen, as soon as you sign into Snapchat, go to your chat screen from the bottom of the screen, and from your chat screen what you can do is simply go over your friend's Bitmoji and simply swipe all the way to the half, and in this page you'll be able to see the text message that has been sent to you. Remember to not release your finger until you have read the conversation, and after you do that, slide your fingers towards the left side, and with this you'll be able to see the text message that has been sent to you without opening the chat, and the text message status will not be marked as seen as well. That is how you can use the half swipe feature and peek at a chat without it marking as read. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.